Hey gang, Tony in the studio today with a quick tip on sending URLs through iMessage or macOS. If you've ever tried to send somebody a link and you paste that in your Messages app or through the Messages app on your computer, and you get that rich preview, you know, where it brings up the image that's associated with the link or that it thinks should be associated with the link. For example, you're trying to send a client a link to download some finished files through Dropbox. It may give them a preview image of Dropbox instead of like the images that you're trying to send them. Or maybe you're trying to send dick pics to your girl and you don't want to spoil the surprise.
And I should not have done this.
So whatever the case is, this will solve that problem. So what you want to do is just open up a message from whoever it is that you're trying to send or start a new message. You'll simply hit period. You can paste the URL followed by another period, hit send, and boom. That sends the URL without that rich preview and the surprise isn't spoiled. Hopefully that helps some of you out this week. We could dive a lot deeper into iOS and Mac, but for this week, that's just the tip. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, do so now. And if you liked the video, a little thumbs up. If you didn't like it, double tap that dislike button. If you haven't listened to the Pixel Punishers podcast, go check that out for all things photo related. And if you're so inclined, follow me on Instagram. I'm out.